All right, good morning, everybody. So today I'd like you to review the vocabulary flashcards I made for you in Quizlet. You did use Quizlet with Miss Strumsky in the fall near the end of her semester. It's something we haven't done, but I made these last week, and some of you did these in class. So if at any time something does not work, please email me right away, and I'll change this whole thing and have it in a quizzes like we usually do. But Quizlet is fun, and there are different activities that you can do. So I thought we'd try this since you did use it with Miss Strumsky. I did make two different sets, and so there's 9 in one set and 10 in the other. So the first set, those words you will know, you'll be more familiar with. The second one, they'll be new, and that's fine. Just read over these instructions on this page. At a minimum, once you're in Quizlet, you just need to do one of the choices listed under what to do, which I have down here. Yeah, and like I said, if at any time you have a question, you can't access something, let me know. So how to access? The easiest way would be to either you can click on these two links. And I did have these posted. You may have seen these already in Google Classroom, but anyway, the first set is just called Intro to Coding. You just click on this link. It will take you to the flashcards and the different options to review them. And here is the second link. If you could do both, that would be great. That'll work. If it wouldn't work, try joining the class, which is also probably in your email because I sent out an invitation. And I know this is confusing. I hope it's not. If you want to join the class instead of just clicking on this link, that's fine too. Whatever works. So it doesn't matter to me. You can either just click on these links, or if you click on this and you join the class, then I would be able to definitely see your work and your progress. Otherwise, I think I can still see it though if you click on these links. But as always, if you're prompted, just select sign in with Google, okay? So once you're in Quizlet, there's different options. You can do flashcards, learn, write out the definition, practice spelling, and then if you do test your knowledge, it actually gives you like a test, which is actually what I used to create the last quiz we took on 3D printing. I made it in Quizlet and just printed it out and edited it a little bit. But anyway, there's also game options. So what it will look like, let me see. I'm going to click on our class, Intro to Coding. You'll see, if you get into the class, you'll see these two links. If you just click like that first link, you'll be brought to right here. Okay, and with the flashcards, here's the word algorithm. Click on it. It tells you definition, and you can move on and just go through the words. There's also a learn option. I don't want to click on all of these because my internet is slow. There's write, where you can practice writing the definition, spelling the words. Here you can hear it being spelled, and then that test option. The two games you can play are the matching game. I saw some of you doing that in class. And the gravity game, I think that one's pretty fun. Unfortunately, I don't think we can do the Quizlet live game since we're not together, unfortunately. But yeah, so that's the first set of flashcards. And the other one looks like this. Like I said, the second one is just a little bit different. So like I said, choose, at the very least, do one of these things. I'll probably make another review of some sort with a different website for later, but if you could do that, great. And yeah, if you have run into any questions, please just send me an email. Thanks, guys. Be thinking about you guys all today. Bye.